Hi, the topic is what are the factors associated with the dysplasia in inflammatory bowel disease? In patients with inflammatory bowel disease, particularly ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, chronic Crohn's disease, the risk of developing colorectal dysplasia, precancerous changes increases with several factors. Major factors associated with the dysplasia in inflammatory bowel disease are number 1, long duration of disease. Risk rises significantly after 8 to 10 years of colonic inflammation. The longer the colon remains inflamed, the greater the cumulative risk of dysplasia and colorectal cancer. Number 2, extensive colonic involvement. Pancolitis. Involvement of the entire colon carries the highest risk. Left-sided colitis has an intermediate risk. Proctitis alone generally has little or no increased risk. Number 3, persistent or severe inflammation. Chronic active inflammation promotes DNA damage and abnormal cell growth. Histological evidence of ongoing inflammation is a strong predictor of dysplasia. Number 4, primary sclerosing cholangitis. Patients with IBD and primary sclerosing cholangitis have a markedly increased risk of colorectal dysplasia and cancer. Surveillance colonoscopy is usually started at diagnosis and performed more frequently. Number 5, family history of colorectal cancer. A first degree relative with colorectal cancer, especially if diagnosed at young age, increases risk. Number 6, previous dysplasia. Prior low grade or high grade dysplasia is a strong predictor of future dysplastic lesions and colorectal cancer. Number 7, post inflammatory polyps or pseudopolyps. Extensive pseudopolyps indicate a history of severe inflammation and are associated with high cancer risk. Number 8, colonic strictures. New or unexplained strictures in long-standing IBD may harbor dysplasia or carcinoma and require careful evaluation. Number 9, younger age at IBD onset. Earlier onset often means a longer lifetime exposure to inflammation, increasing cumulative risk. Number 10, colonic Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease involving large segments of the colon carries a dysplasia risk similar to ulcerative colitis. What are the protective factors? Factors associated with a lower risk include good control of inflammation, regular surveillance colonoscopy with chromoendoscopy, adherence to maintenance therapy. Some evidence suggests long-term use of 5-amino salicylic acid may have a chemoprotective effect in ulcerative colitis. Clinical message. The strongest predictors of dysplasia in IBD are long disease duration, extensive colonic involvement, persistent active inflammation, coexisting primary sclerosing cholangitis, previous dysplasia. Thank you. Please subscribe.